been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
So we've reached our destination. We have a reach. Oh, whew. All right. Hey guys! Oh my gosh! So we have reached our destination, but can't tell you guys where yet. So we're just here hanging out. That one is drinking. We have a surprise guest for you guys, but I'll show you guys the surprise guests later. Yes, we're in this beautiful home. Ooh! In this beautiful place. It is just nice. So Mr. Hubby's over there cocking up his legs. They say, you're living the life. Wait a minute. You're living the life. Oh, I interrupted his music, guys, so I can vlog a little bit. Oh, we're gonna get this couch. It reminds me of my old one. You see how big it is? Oh yeah. This, you fit to somebody in here. But guys, this place, it is beautiful. Look at this, babe. I love this. I didn't even realize the nice big vase and the AC. It is, ooh, it's nice. I like it. Now this is what you call modern yet what is it? We can't even chat. Contemporary. That's what I call it. Oh Lord, but it is beautiful. It's really nice in here. I like it. See, and look, they have my favorite orchid flowers. So I will definitely give you guys a room tour. Well, I'll give you a house tour. Yes, but we will do that later. We're still waiting for our other guests to arrive. Yes, but this is a couples getaway, our first couples getaway, and many more to come. Oh, do you guys hear the noise? Do you hear the noise? If you have not recognized the laughing before the face comes. Oh, and there's our surprise guest. And there we have our lovely husband. Now to catch up them people, man, can. He's turning up in the kitchen already. We're still waiting on the other couple to come. So yeah, they're running down Jamaican time. Yeah. Hopefully they beat before the curfew. Oh gosh. So yeah, that's what we are here doing. So, oh Lord.
Oh yeah, girl, give your room tour. Give you a tour before the place gets messy.
Crowded? Oh. Alright guys. So I'm about to give you guys a house tour of the place and where we are staying at. So are you ready for it? Let's see. Oh, hello. Oh, so here is the tour. Don't worry. Oh, watch that. Okay, so as you come in, you see you got the nice laundry area here. I'm not gonna turn on, but usual. And you come into the living area. Like, this place is just gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. And we will definitely let you guys know where we are, so you can come and book it here as well. Don't mind all the bodies them walking in my tour. So, and I love this. The setup, it's just nice, moderate. You got your nice, what is this? Is 70-inch TV or 60? So, yeah, I love it. So this is the first floor. Let me give you a tour. You come here and you have the nice ensuite powder room. Hey! Yes, your girl is all glammed up. Okay. So that's why I'm giving a tour before I start looking mess up. All right, so, and I love the fixtures. This is upscale, moderate, and you see it shows that Toilet, everything has been cleaned. All right. That's the do not enter door, and you got a nice another couch over here. So this is another sitting area. Which what? A dead body in there. Oh my God. So you got this nice, this table seats six, but it could seat 8. All right, because I assume that here is an extension. So this is nice. We got the lovely Zoe fam in the kitchen here, cooking up a storm. Yeah. Well, then I started seasoning up and stuff. Let me give you a tour of the fridge. All right, see, we were set.
The rest of the groceries, them not even coming.
Yes, the groceries them not coming yet, but we stuck up.
Oh, bye-bye.
You just love to be the host.
All right. Okay, so let me give you guys a tour of upstairs. So we're taking the stairs, and I love this. This has a nice wine staircase. This is beautiful, and you come up to the beautiful second floor. What meets you here is a very nice entryway. So we will start with coming this way, and it has high ceilings, guys. This is just marvelous. So you got a nice high ceilings. So you got the first bedroom here, as you can see, and this is beautiful. This is huge. So you got a nice, and I think they also have a balcony out there, and I love Orchid Child. So this is the first. You have your TV here, nice dresser, and you got a nice ceiling fan, high AC in the room, the nice mosquito mesh to keep the bugs out. Then you come in here, and I'll give you a closet tour. So this is the closet. Nothing has fully in it yet. All right. And then we are off to the next room. So this, you have a nice soaker tub, and you have your nice little light. In here has double vanity, which I love, and it has the black metallic, which I love. I just love this face basin. It's nice and clean, and you have a stand-up shower. So if you don't want to shower, if you don't want to go in the tub, you could also take a shower. All right, so now we go back out. So this is one of the masters, and I love how it is so nice and big in here. So you have a linen closet with all your stuff. This is the other room. Hey, it's me again. And you have a nice big spacious closet. Still, you could walk in, and you know, you got your night lamp and stuff like that. You have AC in here, TV, and you also have the nice tub. All right. So you see, this is just beautiful. Beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. I should have got my cameraman to come and record this for me, but he's sitting down. So we just got to do it what I have. And then you come into this next room here. Let me turn on the light for you guys, so you can get a look. So as you see, you come into this other room, and I have bags all over the floor, and the setting is just really nice. It is just really nice. And there you have a nice little setting. So, and it was lovely made, guys. This place is just nice. Got a little carpet. Don't mind the mess. My stuff is all over, still going through the stuff. So now when you walk in here, you have a nice closet. I give you a closet tour. So then you have your closet here, and then two places to hang your shoe rack. Right? You got the sink, and you also have the black metallic again, which I love. And you got your girl here in the mirror. Hey guys. Yes, and it is beautiful. And you have the lotion, and you have soap to wash your hands. I love this. So this is nice. And in here you got a standing shower with this one. So very nice. And I must say, the place is clean, so cannot complain. So, and you have AC in here. You see you have high ceilings, the nice ceiling fan, which I like. I gotta like. All right, so let's go back downstairs. Yes, guys. And then here you got a nice little light coming in, but the ceilings are so high, guys. So high. So high. I think they probably have a back door. There's some more things, but I will finish the tour later and show you guys when we go to the other facilities.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You